Hello, good morning everyone, and welcome to this weekly sessions for live account holders with dkbMARKETS, where we'll be going through the markets together. It's a practical session and also gives you the opportunity to ask questions regarding the markets, regarding the platform, or any problems you might be having. As usual, if you have any questions or comments, do click the hand button on your control panel or send your questions through to the question box. So as usual, we start off by looking for opportunities in the markets. And as usual, we start off by looking at the economic calendar to see if there are any reports of high importance due out today. Now, today is Tuesday, the 22nd of July. I'll just bring the calendar up. So today being Tuesday, the 22nd of July, looking at the calendar, we know that the US Consumer Price Index report will be due out at 1:30 p.m. GMT plus 1. So at 1:30 p.m. GMT plus 1 today, the US Consumer Price Index report will be released. Now, this is a report of high importance, and because this report is due out from the US, it will affect all markets. So all currency pairs, stock indices, commodities, all markets will be affected by this because it's due out from the US, and the consumer price index or inflation figures are quite important. So there's a high probability this will impact the markets, and there's also a high probability that the markets will trend sideways prior to 1:30 p.m. GMT plus 1 today. So as we know, it's best to avoid trading prior to the last report of high importance. So we're going to avoid trading or avoid placing any pending orders prior to 1:30 p.m. GMT plus 1 today due to the high probability of the markets trending sideways prior to the report being released. And again, you know you don't want to get caught up in a sideways trending market because there's a high probability of you losing money if you trade when the market is trending sideways. And since we already know there's a high probability of the market trending sideways prior to the report being released this afternoon, we're just going to avoid the markets and keep out till then. Just have a look at the charts. This is the Euro-US dollar. As we can see, it's already trending sideways. Let's look at the Dow Jones. That's the Dow Jones. You can see that's trending sideways. This is the dollar Swiss franc, and that's trending sideways too. We can see the pound dollar, that's trending sideways. And the euro yen, that's also, it was trending up overnight, but you can see since early hours of this morning it's been trending sideways. And same with the oil. This is oil. That's spiked up a bit, but again, that's also trending sideways. So, like I say, it's best just to keep out of the markets, and then we'll wait till the report is due to be announced before we start looking for positions to take in the markets. Okay, any questions? If you have any questions, do click the hand button or send your questions through to the question box.